How to fix this channel can't be displayed problem on Telegram app. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, and then go to apps, go to Telegram, click on this force stop, go down to storage. Now here, this is the internal storage options. All what you have to do here is click on clear cache. After that, click on manage space. As you can see right here, it will be seeing the storage usage. You need to click here on clear local database and click on clear if you don't have the problem to clear the cached text messages. After that, go back. Now click on the data usage, make sure that all the network access options are enabled. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.